Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving deep into the realms of gaming and nostalgia, you're in the right place. Today, we're traveling back to the golden age of arcade games to explore a true icon, the Atari 2600. Not only are we going to revel in some vintage vibes, but we'll also discuss why today's generation is falling in love with retro games, despite the leaps in modern technology. So, let's get started. The Atari 2600, launched in the late 1970s, was more than just a gaming console. It was a cultural phenomenon that shaped the entertainment landscape. With its wood panel design and joystick controllers, it became a symbol of coolness and technological aspiration. Fast forward to today, and you might wonder, why do gamers in 2024, equipped with ultra-high-definition graphics and immersive VR, still find the 2600 appealing? Well, it's all about nostalgia and simplicity. The charm of the Atari lies in its straightforward plug-and-play nature, something quite refreshing in today's complex gaming ecosystem. There's just something about the simplicity and challenge of these games that draws you in. You push a button, and you're instantly part of the game. Games like Shovel Knight and Celeste are perfect examples of modern games that pay homage to the 8-bit era. They combine the visual and audio aesthetics of the past with the narrative depth and gameplay mechanics of today. It's a blend that respects the roots while enhancing the player's experience. Beyond gaming, the influence of the Atari 2600 and its era can be seen in fashion, art, and even music, with synthwave bands and pixel art becoming part of mainstream culture. As we look back at the Atari 2600, it's clear that its legacy is more than just about nostalgia. It's about the joy of simplicity and the timeless appeal of good design. For many, it represents a doorway to the past. And for others, it's a canvas for creativity, connecting generations in ways that few other gaming systems have. If you enjoyed this blast from the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things retro and gaming. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video where we continue to explore the classics that changed our world.